So in the previous class, I told you that is the we have to go to use that in our code, and I am going to show you what we discussed in the study moment. We know that by default our JFrame follow the card layout, and layout is nothing but the way of arrangement of your data, your components on your frame. Suppose you are going to use more than two levels and three levels, and it's follow the card layout means you can only see the top of the items. So which one is top of there, that you can only the see, and remaining will be the hide. This is the by default Java frame is going to follow your card layout data. But today I have to solve this problem, because yesterday we saw that if I am using the two levels, like I am going to use one more level, that is here in this code, and we have to understand to this how this working on that moment. So JLabel is a class which belongs to the JFrame class, that is that, and implemented this JFrame in the swing frame, that is the Java X dot swing frame is our package name. So here I am going to create a one object, that is the else, and here I am going to create for the Java labels, that is a Java label is the class, and I will take to this. So I am taking the Java label, J label is coming to that, and now we are giving the constructor here to this, and in that label I am going to pass that hello world, right? So right now today I am going to solve that problem, which one is going to top of the bottom. So we need to set the flow layout. So we have the so many flow layout, that is the flow, sorry. So that is the flow layout, and grid layout and null layout is the option we have to discuss about here. So now today I am going to use the flow layout. It show the your text from the middle space on your frame. So flow layout is the layout that you show your all the components from the middle space on your the frame. So see that how we will be use that. So before that I need to set out the set the flow layout, right? So I will use the method that is a set layout. Set layout method I will use here, which is also pre-implemented in your JFrame class. So this is a set layout I will use, and now it's taking to this set layout, and inside that I will pass the anonymous object of the flow layout class. So how can I create that? So I will use the new that is a flow layout is a class name. It's taking that flow layout, we have to take to this, and now it's created an anonymous object to this. So I have to set this is the this flow layout is responsible to show your components on the middle space of your screen. So I have to the first set the layout is the method, and I will create the anonymous object inside that, and now we will see this all the part in the middle space on that point, right? So here just wait to this. Now I am going to run to this code, we have to understand. Okay, so sorry for that, it's some mismatch is going on, sorry. I am going to write once again. Set layout is the method, this is a set layout I am going to the use, and inside that I am using the new flow, that is the flow layout object. So I am going to use the flow layout object, this is my class name is the flow layout, and finally I created this object here, right? So inside that I have to pass the one more parenthesis, okay, right? So now this anonymous object I created for the flow layout, so it will set your components from the middle space of the frame. Now we will be see how is going to the set. So eventually I am going to run the code here, and now we have to the understand to this how is going to the running of the code, right? So yesterday this concept I show you. Today I am going to show you how can we see the middle space on the frame, all the components. So just is going on, and just wait, it's taking some time. It will be just come to that. Oh, come fast, it's coming right now. It's going on. It's final is completed all the data, and frame is going to the open right now. It's open. You can see we can see these components, that is the come here. you can see here, this is the middle space on your frame. You can see the middle space of your frame, right? So it's you have to just see this all your data, that's your all the components. If you want to set on the middle space, because I have to create it on this frame, and I will set my all the components in here middle space of the frame, right? So that why I will set the flow layout components, and remaining will be the height, right? You can see the remaining part is going to the height. But what I have to the set here, one thing I am going to tell you, because one thing I mentioned to here, I didn't mention here. I say I only add the level 2, I have to also add the level 1. So I have to set this here on the method is here, add method I am going to use here. Add method comes first, add method is taking here, and component is here like this one, and inside that I will pass the L object. So here is the L object, this is the my first component. Here I am going to say this is the L is the first component, and second component is the L2, and here I am going to the add on the frame. Now we can see on the middle space all the frames is here. So finally I am going to close this part, this frame is closed here, and now once again I am going to run your code, right? So we have to understand, and this one I am going to the close to this section. Okay, so now we'll be understand how will we do this. So now run this code once again. We have to the see, we have to set all the my components on the middle space of the frame, right? So I have to the show you right now. See, it's coming to looks like hello world, and bottom of we can see. So we have see this is the hello world, and then is coming the bottom of. So hello world is the first message of the level, this one, and second level to this one right now is not going to the hide, right? तो हम ये जो बॉटम वाला पार्ट है ये हमें हाइड नहीं हो रहा है, ये हमें शो कर रहा है, ठीक है? ये बॉटम ऑफ देयर, और ये हमारा टॉप वाला एलिमेंट्स है, और सारे एलिमेंट्स को मिडिल स्पेस से ये सेट करते जाएगा, ठीक है? दैट इज़ द यूज ऑफ फ्लो लेआउट। तो फ्लो लेआउट का यूज हम क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि हम जब भी हम अपने कंपोनेंट्स को मिडिल पार्ट से सेट करना चाहते हैं अपने फ्रेम पर, तो वहाँ पर हम इसको यूज करेंगे, इस लेआउट को सेट करेंगे। और फ्लो लेआउट एक क्लास है, इसको एनोनिमस ऑब्जेक्ट पास किया, और ये दोनों लेवल्स हमें शो करना है, दिखना है। तो जो प्रॉब्लम हमारी आ रही थी कार्ड लेआउट में कि सिर्फ टॉप ऑफ आइटम ही सिर्फ हमको यही दिखता था, ये वाली पार्ट हमें नहीं विजिबल हो पाती थी। राइट नाउ वी कैन सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस इज द solution of this your problem of the card layout. So thank you to watching to this section. I hope all of you are getting to this point.